Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a complex number problem. I to the power I is equal to what? Here I is imaginary number. According to Euler's identity, we know e to the power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is Euler's identity. Now, when theta is equal to pi, we can write e to the power, this will be I times pi. I times pi is equal to cos of, this will be pi, plus I times sine of theta is equal to pi. So, sine of pi. Now, cos of n times pi, this general value is -1 to the power of n. So when n is equal to 1, we will get cos of n is equal to 1. So cos of pi is equal to -1 to the power 1. So this will be -1. Again, sine of n times pi, this is 0. So when n is equal to 1, so we get sine of pi is equal to 0. So substitute this value, cos of pi is equal to -1 and sine of pi, this is 0. So substitute this here, cos of pi and this sine of pi. We will get left side, this is e to the power of I times pi is equal to cos of pi is equal to -1. So -1 plus I times sine of pi, this is always 0. So this is 0. Or left side, e to the power I times pi is equal to -1 and this I times 0 is 0. So this will be cancelled out. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get square root of this e to the power of I times pi is equal to square root of right side is -1, or this square root with the power of 1 over 2. So left side will be e to the power of I pi over 2. So I times pi over 2 is equal to square root of -1. This is imaginary number I. Now raising both sides power by I, we will get e to the power I times pi over 2 and whole to the power of I is equal to, right side is I to the power of I, or this e to the power of I times I, this is I square times this pi over 2 is equal to, right side is I to the power of I, or writing right side to left, I to the power of I is equal to, and this left side to right, we can write e to the power of I square is -1 times this pi over 2 is equal to this e to the power of negative pi over 2. This is a real number, and the approximate value of this e to the power of negative pi over 2 is 0.20788, and this is the approximate value of this. So I to the power I is equal to the approximate value 0.20788, and this is the value of I to the power I. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.